Hey, Blockchain Bernie here with my latest video, multisigs on the Solana chain. What is a multisig? It's like a wallet that is being controlled by several people, not by just one. So you need sign off from like 2 out of 3 or 5 out of 7 or something like that. It's called a multi-signature wallet. And it's also called a smart contract wallet, especially on the Ethereum chain. They call these things smart contract wallets because it's wallets that are being controlled by software and not by just a person that can click a button, right, and confirm a transaction. So what can you use that for if you run a business that requires multiple sign-off, or you just co-create some stuff, or you're running like some sort of thing on the Solana chain, like a liquid staking pool or stuff like that. You want to have that multisig, right? And Vitalik Buterin himself, he weighed in recently and said like multisigs are great, and I agree with him. And he said, when you do a multisig, don't tell anyone who the others are, right? And they don't even know themselves. And I think that's also a great idea, and that's how we are doing it right here in Xandeum. Remember, we are building that scalable storage layer for the Solana chain. So if you haven't heard about Xandeum, go to xandeum.com, learn all about it. And yeah, let's dive right into squads. So that's the tool for multisigs on Solana. I'm already logged in here now. And this is how it looks like. It says squads. You log into app.squads.io. So by the way, here's their main site. This is how it looks like. And then when you click on get started, it asks you about squads legacy or the new squads. So I, of course, picked the new squads here, and this is for Blockchain Bernie. And well, you see we have 3 members here, so you can look into this here, and then there are 3 members, right? They just appear with member name and some wallet address here, and you can name them in your GUI, but it won't show up for the others, right? Because you want to have it kind of private, huh? And yeah. So they all have their roles here. You see the roles here. So all 3 have all roles, right? So they can propose new transactions, they can vote on transactions, and they can execute, right? In real life, most of the time you want to have permissions that are more differentiated, right? So you want to have certain people being able to propose, and then probably all of them can vote, but then only certain people can execute. So if you want that for a real entity that's administering some funds here, you want to go in here and give them just other roles. And what happens then when you click this here is like they come up with choose your plan. And what you see here is that this tool is not cheap, right? But you can use it for your hobby projects just without this, and everyone has the same permissions, and it's all free, right? But if you want to use it for real life stuff, you'll need these permissions here, and then it's gonna cost some money. So you have all this here, and then there's a dashboard here, and here's your kind of the balance in the treasury. That's 0.1 sol here that I just sent in there recently. Here's the history of transactions and inflows and out. It's a very nice tool here that they built, right? And you see all the transactions here, and all the ones that are active here, the blue ones, they need to get voted on, right? So one here that I just sent in before I started the video is like withdrawing 0.05 sol from the treasury and sending it to my personal wallet, right? And that I can't do without people voting on it, right? So that's the safety mechanism that we have here. Is like nobody has single control over these funds here and stuff like that. So I could hit approve here now, but I've already approved it since I put in this transaction, right? So what you can do with all this stuff is like, it's a super nice and neat tool where you can have your squad and you have your treasury in there. You can have the funds that you have in the treasury, you can stake them to a validator. so that the squad is not like there without any interest or APY or stuff like that. You can, add and remove members. You can change the threshold and stuff like that. But everything's, according to the rules, and the rules are, you need this and that many votes out of that threshold, right? I think this is really, really a nice tool that the guys from Squads have built here. So we are using the paid version for us internally here at Xandeum. We can only recommend that tool. I'm not connected with them in any way. I haven't even talked to them other than maybe opening a support ticket there and got some very nice responses from them. So I can wholeheartedly recommend that Squads tool. And I think for the others that don't really want to use it, it's nevertheless interesting to see what's possible on the Solana world. And with all these, cheap transaction fees, it's super easy, super fast, super cheap to put in these transactions, to get them through. And yeah, I think it's a very, very nice innovation, and it's fun to use. And if you want to know more about how these things work and what alternatives they are, just leave me a comment down below. And by the way, as I mentioned, we're building that storage layer. We have some cool stuff going on really shortly. So make sure you're subscribed to all our lists there. When you go to xandeum.com, there is in the upper right corner, you can subscribe to our email list, to our Discord, and to our X and Twitter account, right? The very important one is the email list, because there will be a series of emails coming out shortly of the upcoming launch of the liquid staking pool that the Xandeum Pool Foundation is going to bring out, which will have a ton of benefits for you. And if you're there from day one, there will be so much more rewards than compared to waiting for a few days. So you have to be there on that one day. Get on that email list. Also get on our Discord and our Twitter X. And everything you do, like liking this video, leaving me a comment here, subscribing to the YouTube channel, everything gives you points, right? And we have points.xandeum.org from the Xandeum Foundation. And these points can be really, really beneficial to you. So I recommend doing all these quests, like, leaving me a comment down here in order to maximize your points. And you can check our leaderboard there. It's, over 5,000 people that are on our leaderboard, and the top ones are over 1 million points. So it's really fun to do that. Don't miss out on that. And for today, thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you later. Peace.